Without hesitation, we decided that the GBDH1000 model should be ranked number 1 on our most anticipated GShock 2020. You may disagree and ask why? Because this GBDH1000 model is truly a new horizon for Casio, with technology and features that have never existed in the GShock before. Obviously, GShock never made a watch that is equipped with a heart rate sensor, so that it can add VO2 max data from the user. With the presence of important features such as GPS and heart rate sensor on this GBDH1000 model, GShock will compete in the sports watch category, which is currently still dominated by several names such as Garmin, Suunto, Polar, and Coros. And we can be sure that GShock will be overwhelmed to catch up with other brands that have started it for a long time. One thing that makes us curious is that the design of the GBDH1000 watch looks so big, and not compact for long use, for example, running more than 10 hours. We're pretty sure these two sides of the buttons will interfere with your running or any other physical exercise for hours. Just look at the comparison between the GBDH1000 and the products from 4 other brands that have round and clean bezel designs. But unfortunately, we haven't received this GShock GBDH1000, so we can't try it yet. Of course, we hope we are wrong, but maybe some of you have already tried it. Please tell us about your experience with GBDH1000. However, there is one good move made by GShock, was to recruit Joseph Gray as a GShock ambassador. Joseph Gray was an American world champion runner who competed mostly in cross-country, mountain running and snowshoe races. We should wait if the GBDH1000 is able to compete with other brands, especially in software. That is very important in doing all data analysis. At number 2, we choose a new collaboration timepiece between GShock and the world popular animation One Piece, GShock GA110 GWFA1000. The base model is the internationally popular digital analog GA110 series. Actually, the GA110 model already almost lost its appeal at this moment, but carrying the One Piece name has actually made this model go viral. With a fairly high retail price of $250, this model is a very successful and profitable investment for those who buy it. Because currently on the market, the price of this watch has increased 2 or 3 times. You should think that would be crazy to buy this GShock at $500, right? But in fact, there are still some who buy it at that price. The GA900 is our pick at number 3. Its very affordable price starting at $120 could make this analog digital watch a huge success. This is a new lineup of heavy-duty models that are great for wear in tough environments. Meanwhile, the bezel is secured by 4 screws for a tough and rugged look. There are 3 options for this model that you can buy. The most expensive model is GA900E1A3 at $160, which has 2 bands, resin band and cloth band. Then the GShock GA900C1A4 with the cloth band at a price of $130, which has the most interesting color combinations in our opinion. Last but not least, the $120 GA900A1A9 model that comes with a yellow resin strap. There is no doubt that the Frogman series has always attracted the attention of many. Moreover, the latest Frogman model from GShock brings many new technologies. Introducing the GWFA1000, which is the first analog Frogman. The carbon monocoque structure of this model incorporates the case and back cover into a single unit. The carbon fiber reinforced resin has a low water absorption coefficient and resists hydrolysis, which results in a higher level of water resistance and greater strength, but at a retail price of $800, not many would be happy to buy it. Of course, there will be a lot of consideration before we buy it. In the last number, we have the GM6900 metal bezel series. This model was produced by Casio following the success of the first low-end metal bezel series, the GM5600. With similar prices and specifications, could the GM6900 series have the same success? There are 3 color variants launched by Casio for this GM6900 model. And even though it's the cheapest, the standard model GM6900 is sure to be the most popular. Okay, that's at the end of our list. Tell us what is your favorite? Or maybe you already have one of this GShock?